Crypto Yang gang, what up? It's your boy Crypto Yang in the building. So here's an update on China Petro. I have yet to receive any withdrawals. Okay, I had 2 withdrawal requests. The first one was on the 31st for $400 of Ethereum. That is still pending. Okay, and then I also made a $29 withdrawal to this address that starts in 14N and ends in WY6. That was sent on, the withdrawal request was on February 1st, which was today. It says 7:07 p.m., but that was really at about 5 this morning. I got an email from them saying that it got processed, and so I was excited. I came home from work just now just to check my account, and it is still not there. Okay, 14N WY6. Let's see here, 14N WY6, right? If you look, my total balance is 0.0000. I have no Bitcoin in this account because everything I keep in this account is all Ethereum, all right? And if you look, 14N WY6 on the blockchain, 0 transactions, $0 received, and a $0 balance, okay? So they have not sent anything according to what they said, and what they said, or excuse me, according to what I say. What they said is they sent it earlier today, and that is a complete lie. So we're gonna wait a couple of at least another day or two, and if they send it, then I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, there's nothing here. Okay, and the amount that I'm expecting is $29 in USD. So I should be getting, even at the price of Bitcoin right now, which is not looking too good. It's 0.00333, so I should at least get that much. And as you can see, I have nothing here. There is nothing pending. If it was, it would be here. Okay. And then the email that I received, and I'm not going to show you guys that because it has a little bit of information that I don't want to be shared, and I haven't taken a screenshot of it. But they sent me an email saying proof of payment, that the withdrawal has been sent. It says $29 has been successfully sent to your Bitcoin address. Transaction batch is N/A, not applicable or not available. So I don't even understand that. Why would you even send me an email and there's no transaction batch? If you know, the batch number is not even in there, so there's no way for me to even look it up. So I was hoping that this was going to be a good one, but this one has not been good for me. Total withdrawals says $29. Withdrew total says $29. Withdrawal history shows that it was finished, because if you look at this other one, it still says cancel, so that means I can still cancel this withdrawal that hasn't processed. But they show that this one has been processed and that it was processed to this account, but it has not been. So if anybody, you know, signed up under me on this, I really hope you didn't put too much into it. You know, from the beginning, I said this was a huge gamble. It was a pure gamble. This was not something that I can guarantee at all. I'm not a professional advisor or consultant. So anything I tell you is a personal opinion. And when I jumped in on this, this was a pure gamble. I have other gamble plays that I'm looking into that are brand new that I'm trying to jump into. And if I do, I will make a video of it. I'm sorry to anybody that, you know, that invested in this, whether you invested in it under me or not. I'm sorry if you didn't get your withdrawals. It really sucks, especially because this was such a brand new website. I mean, look at this. 7 days it's been running and they're already scamming. Like, you know, to me, it's a scam. It's crazy. It's only been up for 7 days and they're not paying. So I'm pretty upset about that. And then the $29 was actually referral commission. So I know some people did sign up underneath me. Not huge amounts, I don't think, but it just sucks, man. I hate to see that, and I'm really sorry if anybody has not received anything. I feel bad for you and for myself because I haven't gotten anything. So hopefully these other plays that I make videos on definitely work out, because there's some good ones out there that people are getting paid out on, and I'm gonna give them a try. All right, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel. I can't thank you guys enough. I'm already at 77 subscribers in less than a week, so that's amazing. And once we get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to do an Ethereum giveaway. Look for the video that says ETH giveaway in the title. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every video that I put up, you'll see it and you'll be able to comment your Ethereum wallet address on it so that you won't miss out. Because it may be on any video. It could be on an ICO review video, it can be on a Bitcoin market video, it can be on any random video. It won't necessarily be on this China Petro or on Space Mining or some other website. It can be on any video. So make sure that you guys subscribe and stay tuned. Crypto Yang Gang, I appreciate every single one of y'all. I love the support. Keep supporting, comment, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, because you know, as soon as we hit 100, we're going to be doing the F giveaway. All right, so appreciate everyone. Crypto Yang signing out. Hopefully we'll get some updates on China Petro. If not, then you know, it's like I said, it was a gamble. So anything that I say here is all personal opinion, and I was just being a guinea pig for you guys so that you can see whether or not it works or not. So if you jumped in with me, I appreciate you riding with me. I know that, you know, it's never nice losing money, but hopefully we'll find something. I'll find something for us to make money on. All right, y'all have a good one.